What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis here, coming to you all with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some Fashion Nova that I got, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. You guys, I ordered a swimsuit from Fashion Nova. If you don't know this, I am in the plus sizes, so I wanted to test them out because I needed a new bathing suit that was cute, and I felt that looked good. That would look good on me. And so I really don't remember which one it was called. I'll probably link it in the description below. But I got like the two-piece these little, whatever this one is. It's a high-waisted bathing suit. It comes with this. It looks like this. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all can see this. Good. Yeah, these are in the size of a 2X. If you guys are wondering about the size, I'm going to insert a video. I'm going to show you how it looks on me after I finish. But if y'all are wondering about the size, I really could have went down in the size. I'm usually like a 16, 18 in my regular sizes in plus size. This is a size 2X, and the bottom, it fits really good. It's stretchy, but like I said, I could have went down a size. It looks good. It covers my stomach like I wanted it to. I was scared of two pieces because I didn't know if it was going to cover my stomach. I wanted it to. But it looks good. And this top right here, it kind of low-key makes me look a little flat-chested. And I think I have a good size of boobs. But yeah, it makes me look a little flat-chested, and it's a little big. It's a little big. You guys will see in the clip that it's kind of, you know, a little roomy, whatever, at the top. So I will most definitely probably recommend to go down the size. I don't know, but if you were like me and you didn't know how they fit, how they was gonna fit on you, then I would just order the size that you think you should get. But overall, I really love the bathing suit. I can't wait to wear it out wherever I wear it to. And yeah, I think that this gets a good rating for me. Fashion Nova, you did your job. You did your job. I love it, and I'm happy with the results. Happy with the price. I got this for, I think it was 30% off. It was some coupon that they had going on. Fashion Nova always has some kind of discount going on, so you all should just have whatever discount that they have. Like, I'm pretty sure they have them going on right now as I'm speaking. But yes, yeah, this gives a really good rating for me. I love it. I love it. And if you guys are thinking about buying this bathing suit, or thinking about buying a bathing suit in general from Fashion Nova, then I think you guys should get some, because yeah, they know what they're doing. Okay, Fashion Nova, okay, yeah. But that's all for this video. I'll show you how it looks on me and all of that. So guys, this is how the bathing suit looks. I guess we're gonna step back. And I have a bra on, so it kind of looks like it's fitted to me right now, but the straps fall down a lot, and without the bra, this top is actually really roomy, so it kind of like slips off, but the straps slip off anyways. And this is like high-waisted, so no. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and yeah. So if you guys want to see more, just comment down below what you think, your questions and all of that, and I will respond. But yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys like this video, can you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you guys can, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button to my left, your right. And without further ado, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. So toodles.